Alright, these are the elevators here at the Hampton Inn Suites, Tampa East location here in Tampa, Florida. We have Otis elevators with Series 5 here to ride. Get down to 1. Get a cab going down. Pretty basic Otis elevators for a Hampton Inn property, nothing really too exciting about these. Your floor indicator, capacity is 2,500 pounds. This is elevator 1, Series 5 buttons, certificate. And here are 1. Back at the 4. At least the egg lantern works. Set his elevator down, we'll try to get the other one. I don't think the other elevator works. It's not responding to my call. But anyways, while we're up here on 4, we'll get a view. Here's your view from this side of the hotel. Sorry, the windows are kind of steamed up. Got a Ford dealership right there called Gator Ford. Over there you can see a busy Interstate 4. And down there you can see the parking lot, sort of. We'll get a view out on the other side and then go back down the elevator. Probably the same elevator we just came up in. Yep, there it goes. We'll write that down just a little bit. It's a little chilly up here. And here's your view from this side. Got a very nice sunset off to the west. There's a Flying J sign over there. Overall, very nice view from this side. I do like that sunset, like I said. It's really nice. Especially on a nice clear day like today. And down there's a parking lot once again. And in here is your manpower elevator. One of 2 manpower elevators here. Got a luggage cart sitting here. And now we're going to go back down the elevator and end the video. Didn't wait for 1. Alright, we'll end it at 1. That button. This is a Series 3 button replacement. And here we're back with 1. We got music playing down here. There it goes, and those were the elevators here at the Hampton Inn Tampa East location, and that'll be it.